The quiet morning in the village. It is early morning. The sky is soft blue. The air is cool and quiet. In a small village, there is a little house. The house is old, but warm. Inside the house, a girl is sleeping. Her name is Lena. Lena opens her eyes slowly. She listens. She hears the wind. She hears the birds. She hears the morning. Lena smiles. "This is a beautiful day," she says softly. She sits up. She takes a deep breath. The air feels fresh. Lena walks outside. The grass is green and wet. There is water on the leaves. She walks slowly, step, step, step. She sees her grandmother in the garden. Her grandmother is watering the plants. "Good morning," Lena says. "Good morning, Lena," her grandmother smiles. "Did you sleep well?" "Yes, very well," Lena says. They stand together in the quiet garden. The sun begins to rise. The light is soft and golden. Everything feels calm. Lena picks a small flower. It is yellow and bright. She looks at it carefully. "It is so simple," she says. Her grandmother nods. "Yes, simple things are beautiful." Lena thinks about this. She looks around. The trees, the sky, the small house. Everything is simple. Everything is beautiful. Lena sits under a tree. She closes her eyes. She listens again. The wind, the birds, the quiet village. She feels peaceful. She feels happy. She does not need many things. She only needs this moment. Lena smiles again. "This is enough," she whispers. The morning continues, slow, quiet, and beautiful. Thank you for listening. See you next time for another quiet story.